Sawadee krab. Let's have a good time checking out the corner stores. When them doors open, man, you're gonna have a shock because the temperature changes like wild. Even at nighttime, it'd be like 80 degrees. So walking into a 7-Eleven, yeah, man, everything's affordable, especially compared to back home. And you'll see a lot of brands you saw, but be careful, man, because they don't even really be posting all the brightening cream and the different chemicals they use. I'm not much of a sweets eater, but every now and then I get down. Let me pick something out to see what they got. And ready to eat meals. Now me, I don't use microwaves. That's a whole nother thing with me. But the food out here is definitely exceptional convenient store. Like, and it's a good way to try probably the most popular foods. The crab fried rice means everything to me. And again, you know, affordable. $1.50, $7. You ain't breaking no bank filling the tummy. They got like yogurt drinks and all kinds of weird stuff going on. So we're just talking about normal beverages. You know what I mean? And again, it's just like the days you was a kid. You could come through with a quarter and probably leave with something. And the snacks. Everything again is a good price. A lot of the brands you saw back home, you're gonna see out here. So don't be shocked. But it's the flavors that are different. And if you use Top Ramen Head, Top Ramen World out here. All kinds of exotic stuff. So yeah, we're gonna pick up a couple things. Sometimes you'll see stuff like this, like, what even is that? I lived out here for a minute, so I know what that is, but alright, y'all, let's learn some Thai. I'm gonna keep it easy for you. Useful. Aloy. If you want to be proper, it's aroy. And that's tasty. Aloy. And how about D, which can be used for anything, which is good. D, just like the letter D. If you put those together, you'd have Aloy D or Aroy D, which just means really tasty.
What's up, y'all? So we just came back from 7-Eleven. A little tired, did a lot of walking today for y'all. Anyways, y'all saw some of that crazy stuff. I'm just gonna get to it right here. This is a sweet potato gummy. Alright? First of all, I ain't advertising for nobody. I'm just telling you some of the crazy stuff they got out here. You know what I'm saying? Sponsor me and I promise you get a 10 out of 10. Alright, this gummy doesn't come in any individual bags, and it's like in the shape of a sweet potato. Let me see. Gummy-ish sweet potato-ish smell. I'm thinking there's real gummy or real sweet potato in here. Alright, here we go. It says it's got some Japanese up on here. Let's see. I can't do it. Yo. I'm real bad because I like gummies and I like sweet potatoes. I do not like this. Like, it's got that weird sugar. You know, not that corn fructose. It's that new weird chemical sugar. For me, that's a no. I'm just letting y'all know. Okay. How about else for snacks? We got this. I don't know what this is. This says Hamigru. My assistant says, what does this say, young man? Magru. You know, it kind of looks like the squid. They got a lot of like squid snacks here, but if I know correctly, konjac snack with original mala flavor. Oh, they my handsome assistant says, magru. I'm not really sure what this is, but I know they like the squid. They do like dry squid and tuna, but the main ingredient out here is konjac, almost like cognac with a K, and cornstarch. So maybe this is some sort of noodle. If I ain't going to the hospital for no damn YouTube, yo. I'm trying this because when we just go to that store, I know some of y'all to be like, what's that? What's that? What's that? Like I said, if y'all put in the comments, I'm willing to try simple stuff. It's got an expiration date. We good. The expiration date is actually a little different. Listen. Oh, this stuff look. I guess it kind of got a little bit of that mala smell to it. Look, I got these chopsticks here, so we might as well use it. I don't know how the locals do it. They probably just do it with their hands, or they probably just squeeze out the bag. Yeah, that definitely looks like squid, but that wasn't one of the main ingredients. I'm not sure what it is, so we just gonna do a little bit. I mean, I don't know what to say about this one. Like, it's not bad. It's foreign. I'm in Thailand. Like, it definitely tastes like some of that squid stuff. It's got a little spice on it. I got the mild one. Yeah, I think it is just like a noodle, and they gave it like a squid texture. I could imagine with other foods, it could be good. You know how like Koreans have a lot of side dishes before you start? Maybe something like that. I guess I give this like a 5 out of 10 because sometimes it could be a 7, it could be a 3. I don't know. All right, here we go. Double sponsored because I don't know this company, but they sponsor Venom in this mug. This just looks so crazy to me. This is pork grind. It said crispy pork. In parentheses, it says pork or chicken. Don't be picky. Chili choco flavor. So we got chocolate chili dipped pork skin. That might be chicken skin. They're not even sure which animal this is. Chocolate dipped chicken skin chili stuff. See what we got here. Wow, that definitely smells like something you don't eat. It's got a real chocolatey smell. Let's just do this. I promise I'm usually not hard to please like this, but I don't know if knowing what it is and knowing how it doesn't taste like anything, it's not bad, but just it tastes like what you think if you were to put chocolate with pork skin or chicken skin. Again, I'm gonna have to get that on the low ball. I say both of these would be like good bar food if you were already drunk. I'm just gonna put it like that. This we got Squid Ink dumplings. It's got Top Chef Thailand 2023. And this is up for debate for me because you know how it is when everyone get popping, they just start selling stuff. But Thai food, as you see in my other videos, is popping. So I'm gonna keep it real. I didn't put it in the microwave. I don't use a microwave, y'all. I did the air fryer, so it definitely got the plasticky look. Like I feel like I'm about to eat a Lego set. Like, all right. That could be alright. It's really got an Indian taste to it. Like I'm tasting some sort of curry. Yeah, I would say the black squid ink has no flavor that I can detect. It's just kind of for the sales of it. We're gonna have many times we try many things. So one thing I realized, I learned this from somebody who worked at the convenience stores. When you buy a can, you gotta wipe them joints down because there'd be all kinds of extra badness on the parts about to get in your drink. All right, so this drink right here, I believe is a Chinese drink. It's called Tang Gua Cha. I promise you I'm not saying that right. It's some kind of vegetable. I'm still eating that dumpling, which is not that bad. The curry's a little bit much. Let's see what this does. Tastes like any sugary drink, like a juice of sort. Cheers, or as they say in Thai, chon gao, which actually means crash glass. All right, enough. That's actually kind of refreshing. The main ingredients in here got to be sugar water, because it's just got the taste of everything else, like some sort of tea. I don't even know what this vegetable originally is. It's a white gourd. So it's 25% juice of whatever this white gourd vegetable is. I would be okay with having this again. Well, let's just keep this going. We got this right here. It's another Chinese drink, and that's the thing what's cool about Thailand is you can get some American stuff, some poppin' stuff in China, and the poppin' stuff out here. So this is like one of the main drinks in China, and it looked to be a herbal tea. I don't know what that says. I think in Thai that says if, or with the E over it, that would be if that was like Thai spelling out English. Let me stop stalling, because this is the first taste test for 7-Eleven. So far, yeah, the drink was good. So let's see if this is any good. This is the first thing I had that is something like sweet tea, like some of that Bama tea, that North Carolina, that sweet tea. Before it's mixed with the lemonade, it's identical to that. So that's a safe bet. And last but not least, same company, if that says that, and this is coconut water, which I'm a fan of. Oh yeah. That's good. So it actually give the drinks, all the drinks were good. The first drink, I can give this a 9 out of 10. It was good. This one is just if you like sweet tea. You know what this is, and the same with the coconut too. You know what it is. Now, I got an assistant, Mr. Handsome. Oh, Wadikap. Nice to meet you, man. So, we're doing a taste test. How old are you, sir?
6.
Oh, you 6 years old? Man, I remember when I made you, boy. Mwah! That's my son, Mr. Patah. So, look, we're going to try this. Let's see what the kids think about this, because we got different taste buds. Try it. This is that squid ink dumpling. What you think?
Mine tastes hot.
Okay, so it's hard. That could be my fault. Like I said, I don't use a microwave. But what does it taste like? Aloy or mighty? Hey man, the truth has been spoken. Now look, we got a 6-year-old and we got gummies. Let's see if I'm overreacting. Here you go. Is it good? Is it good? Well, look, we got a winner here. You kids just might like it. And you may not. But anyways, these are all for you. You've won yourself a bag of gummies, Mr. R&B video. Oh, that boy handsome. Okay, now you actually picked these ones out. You know what this is? You count now? Look, it's got some... We got some chocolate in the picture, some chili. It look like seaweed, but it's venom skin, chicken skin, pork skin. It's up to you. Go ahead and get you some of that chocolate pork skin chili crisp chip.
Not spicy.
Okay, so it doesn't have too much of a spicy taste. What do you think? Yummy? Oh man, somebody get some love today. Oh, we're going back for seconds. Yeah, you're not sure? Yeah, it does got a little bit of an aftertaste. All right, now, what do you think about this? I saw you eat this before. Go ahead, let me give it a try. How you eat this? You want the chopsticks? No? That's how we eat. Yeah, he said we because he 50% Thai na. That's good? Is that a noodle? Is that kway teow or is that squid?
Green meat with kway teow.
Really? He said it's noodle and squid. They just mix this stuff up here. And it happens sometimes. They don't be putting everything on the ingredients here, but I think they would probably put the squid. Whatever Konjac is. Somebody put that in the comments because I legit don't know. Now what you think about... You was already drinking something, weren't you? Alright. Can't be putting stuff down around these kids. This good? If you give that out of 10, 10 is sut yod roy ma, and 1 my loy. What do you give that?
8.
Ooh, you know what? I agree with him. That's definitely an 8. That's like one of the words I can't say in Thai. Nung song sam si ha ho jet. Bad. How do you say 8? Bad. That's a bad boy right there. All right, try this one. Let's see if he likes sweet tea, Chinese style.
2.
2?
No, I mean 5.
Okay. A 5 that's right in the middle. I'm giving this an 8 too, because this is just sweet tea. And last but not least, the reason why I didn't freshly open it because my assistant here had already opened it for me and saved the bottom half for me. How's that?
Good, I give it 10 plus 10.
Woo! Well, you know, they got a lot of coconuts out here, so they probably do have the freshest. All right, so out of all of this, number 1, sut yod, chop mak. What did you like the most?
This one and this.
He's going for these two. Me? I'm picking you, man. You my favorite. You weird little boy. Mwah! I'll probably pick this one. Before he put his spicy chili pork skin teeth breath on it. This was number 1. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching, man. Next time we're gonna go ahead with grab. Let's see. Next time we're gonna go ahead with the delivery. Let's see what they got. Because I've seen all kinds of crazy stuff on there. So we'll try it together. Alright, y'all. You got any questions? Go ahead and ask me in the comments or any of that good stuff. Peace out, or as they say, Owadee krab. How you do it, Pata? How you say Owadee?
Sawadee krab.
Sawadee krab.
Success.